Okay, so now that we're all up here and we're ready to go, I have all my roller followers and everything are in this egg carton here with my valve spring compressor. The valve spring compressor just fits together like this. This part, this little knob on the top. So this part, actually I'll pull it apart and explain it on the motor. Okay, so this part of the valve spring compressor slots through the top of the cylinder heads and in between the can lobes and rests on the far side of the cylinder head. Oh, like so. And then this part here, which presses the actual spring down, comes in, rests on the side. You want to make sure you get your grooves all lined up here so when you slide it up it'll fit nice and easy. Like so. I just put the cap on till it just spins tight, not putting any pressure on it at all. And then when you're doing this, you need to make sure that you're pressing down on the actual top of the spring so that so the whole spring moves together as one piece. To do this, I'm gonna try using this little screwdriver with a socket end on it. I don't know how practical this is actually going to be. Probably not very. I'll probably just end up using my finger with something to like protect my finger. Alrighty, so I will do this first one. So we're starting on cylinder 5 on the outer intake. Just clean them off, make sure that there's no dirt or anything going in there. But first, let's get this spring down there. And just turn the handle until you can't turn anymore. Then when that's done, come up top here, grab your valve, make sure your lash adjuster is on the right side so that the top of the spring is on this side and then this side is opposite it. Slide your roller follower in. It's not going to be very easy. Make sure everything's in the right spot. And then hold it in place and then start to turn off the valve spring compressor. And just like that, that's how they all go in. So I'm pretty sure we'll speed up this next part of the process while I put the rest in. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. so I'm going to pull off this plate for the crankshaft sensor so I can put the crankshaft set tool back on so I can spin it so I can put the rest of my roller followers in. There's 6 that are missing right now, 3 on each side, 2 intakes and a exhaust on each side. So I just need to turn it just a little bit. So I'm gonna put this tool on here. Maybe.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yes, but
Yeah. Do you have any leverage that way?
I do not have any leverage this way. But
No, spin it. You got to turn it. Yep. Towards the other side. You're right in there.
there's my problem.
So try to push it. I don't think you can,
I
but
don't think I can either. And I can't hammer tap it over either.
no, you can't.
No, not happening. Not in a million years.
What are you hitting?
Power
Pipe?
steering line.
Okay.
Too bad I don't have half a pipe. Maybe I can get enough leverage
Can
on
you
it.
stand on it? Get in and stand on it. Put a foot on it.
How close are we now?
I don't know. Keep going.
Oh, I'm not even close yet.
Okay, turn that tool around maybe.
Okay.
I have no idea where it's going to be at, but no, you're not even close.
I know.
There you go.
No, the water pump's
Won't
in the
fit?
way.
Yeah, okay.
I'll keep trying then. I can get it. Oh, I can definitely get it farther than I did.
Yeah. Where's your flashlight?
Flashlight's right here.
That one's missing.
These two,
Yeah,
and then this
that's
one
fine.
back here.
So, yeah, keep going.
So I still got a good ways to go.
Yeah. That's why I like steel toes.
Yeah. Can I flip it around now, maybe? Probably not.
I'm thinking it's hitting something else. Can you get the pipe on it now?
I think so.
Just watch the... So those are almost pointed out straight out the back now, Elijah.
Okay.
And if you could get the other ones on, you should be able to get those ones.
There's only one way to find out.
Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.